Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply for Romania transit visa step by step online, or in other terms e-visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like in front of you, I have opened this official Romanian government Ministry of Foreign Affairs website, and I have links apply for a visa and the other link get informed. So we'll go to apply for a visa, apply for the visa link. So I click on it. So you have like multiple options: apply, continue if you have previously uh, applied in and you want to complete your application. You have the option to check and check visa sticker. All right, and you can see the label of e-visa. So I click on apply. Okay, so you can read terms, conditions, attachment, and how long it's gonna be valid. And if you are okay, you can click on this and you can click on next. So you need email address, password, and confirm your password and this text. So I'm gonna do this and then we'll click on next. And after you are through that steps, it sends a file number to the email. So you need to put that file number here. There you get a direct link also in your email that you can follow. But if you want to do it in the same browser session, just put this that you get file number from the email, password that you used, and this captcha. All right, I'm gonna do that. All right, then it asks this info. So I'm gonna include sample details, but when you do it as per your case. So let's say you're applying from India. Oh, sorry. Got the answer. And let's say you are in India. So diplomatic mission. So you can search for it. They have one in New Delhi. Type of travel document. You can go to the drop down. So you have ordinary passport, biometric. So it's up to you. Okay. Now they give you options. What are the visas they offer you? So let's say you want to go for transit. Okay. Mark B. Click on next. Now if you find yourself, please select I hold two or multiple entry short stay visa issued by Schengen, limited territorial visa by Schengen, Cyprus, Croatia, Bulgaria visa, Schengen member state, Switzerland visa, European state visa. I'm a family member of Romanian citizens. Whatever. So if you select these options, if they are applicable to you, based on that it will guide you for the next steps. But for the purpose of this video, I select this, that I have nothing over there. Required supporting documents, valid travel document, photographs. You can click on this icon to find out more. Visa for the state of destination you are going, travel ticket, vehicle supporting document. Okay, and if you want to upload more documents, you can click, and then you can go to next. All right, I bypassed, but you got to provide those documents, right? All right, so person and name, surname, date of birth, country, nationality. Some questions have been picked up from the first, right? I will be skipping mandatory, non-mandatory fields, but you should provide, right? Why would you hide it? So I'll fill this and I'll click on next. Now travel document, in our case passport. So passport information, number, issuing country, authority, date of issue valid, current occupation, employer, private education institution. This is for students. So I'm gonna just fill mandatory and go to next, but if applicable, if you have, provide the information and go to next. All right. Okay, so we selected B transit there. So number of entries, I select multiple, duration of stay. So number of stay, number. So like you can check it on their website, but I think under B transit you can stay up to 5 days, but I mark here 2. In case of transit, have you entry permit final country of destination? Okay, like where you are going. So I'll just put issuing authority. What would I say? I don't have anything, so I do this, but you need to provide your information. Previous stay in Romania, other Schengen member state. So provide that information. Date of arrival. What should I do? 16th, right? Departure 18th. Okay. Member state of first entry. Oh, Entry in Romania, planned route. I'm just passing through to show you mandatory fields. Cost of traveling myself, means of support, cash, travelers, accommodation, credit card. Next. Uh, oh, departure cannot be earlier than arrival. Now it's okay. Family. These are non-mandatory fields, so I'm removing. But if you have spouse, provide that information. If you have children, add that information. Regarding the host, okay. Hotel. Provide full information, whatever is applicable in your case. Home address, home country, yeah, place, Delhi, address. So at the end here you have option to like final review before you send it. Of course I'm not gonna send and pay the fee. So you can even change it from here. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel.